Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Get Curried. If you had to choose between a hearty cold salad and a piping hot Manchurian, I can cross my heart and say you would also, just like me, go for the Manchurian. Now, let me tell you a secret. Healthy food can be tasty if cooked right. And this segment that we've started is all about that. Welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. And today's recipe is Soya Manchurian using Nutrela soya chunks. The recipe that I'm showing today is a Soya Manchurian, and I'm going to use Nutrela soya chunks for the same, as it is low in fat, which makes them a perfect protein-packed meal. You can boil it or soak it, squeeze the extra water out and wash it with fresh water. And here you go, they're now ready to use. So let's keep this aside and move on to veggies, which also include carrots, my most favorite of course, loaded with vitamins A and things like that, beta carotene, which are great for health, hair, skin, lots of beautiful things. Let's cut these. Well, this method is technically called canneling. So once the canneling is done, let's cut these carrots into these little pinwheels. Let's next move on to red cabbage. Let's cut this into a half, a quarter. Let's cut these into triangles like these, which technically are called paisans. Let's move on to some colored peppers, beginning with green capsicum. Let's move on to red onions. Cut this into a half, then a quarter, and very carefully remove these petals. With this, my pre-prep is done and ready. Let's now move on to the cooking process. And for that, first things first, let's begin with oil. This oil is rich in omega-6 and helps to maintain blood cholesterol levels. Also, it contains natural antioxidants. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with finely chopped green chilies, immediately followed up by paste of ginger and garlic. Let's saute this till the raw flavor goes away. Once the raw flavor of the ginger garlic goes away, we add in all the vegetables at once. Let's toss all this well and ensure the vegetables are 3/4 cooked. Let's begin with making the slurry for the Manchurian, beginning with water at room temperature. To this, I'm going to add in soy sauce, cornstarch. Ensure you add salt with caution because soy sauce already has it, and pepper. Finally, let's whisk all of this and ensure that this slurry is lump-free. Let's add this into the vegetables. And finally to this, the soaked Nutrela soya chunks. Let's stir this well and allow this to cook on high flame for at least a minute. After a minute of cooking on high flame, you'll realize and notice that the color of this gravy becomes nice and intense, absolutely restaurant-like. With this, our delicious Nutrela soya Manchurian is done and ready, and of course the flame. Well, on that note, the kitchen smells amazingly aromatic, and now you know that the plate is healthy too. Do give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time on Get Curried with some more simple and easy to go recipes that I'm sure you love using Nutrela soya chunks. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and also for a healthy lifestyle and some nutritious recipes, do follow the Instagram handle mynutrela. On that note, bye for now.